Kamusta na mga ka-addict? This video is for beginners who are planning to build their own electric scooter or electric ride. Also, to make an upgrade or replace their stock controller. If you are new in the electric scooter world, you will find the controller very overwhelming and confusing. This is the 48 volts 500 watts BLDC controller. As you can see, there are too many wires with different colors. It looks complicated, but actually it is not. Once you figured out which wire is which and where it is used for, then it will be easy for you to play around with the controller wires. Most controllers have the same wiring. There are only important wires needed to make your electric scooter run. Alright, let's start. These are the power line wires. These two thick red and black wires will be connected to the power source or battery. This red wire is the power lock wire, also called as switch wire. You will notice the lock wire is a little bit thicker than the other small wires. This wire should be connected to a switch kit. The switch kit connects the lock wire to the power positive line wire when turned on. These are the Hall sensor wires, red, black, blue, green, and yellow. And this is for the hub motor Hall sensor wires. These three thick blue, green, and yellow wires are the phase wires. These are for the hub motor phase wires. And lastly, the throttle wires, black, green, and red, which will be connected to a throttle kit. You may find some throttle kit has black, red, and white wires. I prepared a battery extension cable wire for this tutorial. Connect the two power line wires, red and black, to the battery extension cable wire. Make sure the extension wire is not connected to the battery while doing the procedure. Phase wires was next, green to green, blue to blue, yellow to yellow. Ensure all the nuts are tight. Then just connect the Hall sensor wires of the controller and the hub motor. I will be making a separate video on how to pair the wirings of the Hall sensor wires and the phase wires. Next is the throttle wires. I made this connector to extend out the wires of the throttle wire coming from the controller. Black to black, green to green, red to red. I use wire alligator clip for connecting the wire to the throttle kit. Red to red, green to green, and black to black. This is a bifunctional throttle. Can be used either left or right of the handlebar. The red alligator clip goes to the red wire of the throttle kit. The green goes to the blue wire. And the black goes to the black wire of the throttle kit. This is the lock wire. To activate the controller, the lock wire should be connected to the power positive line wire that links the battery and the controller. I provided a key ignition switch kit. The black wire of the key ignition switch kit should be connected to the power negative line wire that links the battery and the controller, while the red wire of the key ignition switch kit is for the lock wire. And the green wire should be connected to the power positive line wire that connects the battery and the controller. All these remaining wires, like the 3-speed switch wire, alarm kit wires, and these other wires can be left disconnected. As long as the main important wires are connected, the controller will make your electric scooter run. Time to connect the battery extension cable wire to the power source. As you can see, the controller is actively working. If you want to play around with the speed, just simply connect a speed switch kit to the 3-speed wires coming from the controller. Or you can bridge the black wire and the brown wire to get the full speed gear 3. Take note, the controller will run in gear 2 by default if the black wire or ground wire is not connected to either of these two wires. For a quick wiring guide how to wire or install the key ignition switch kit on a brushless controller, you can check the link in the description. Also, check the link how to install controller, speed switch, and thumb throttle. It is a complete guide tutorial vid. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to support my channel by liking, commenting, and sharing all my videos. At syempre, maraming salamat. Muli kayong naligaw sa channel ko. Ride safe lang palagi mga ka-addict.